Okay. So at the end of the first round, Winneba Secondary School had 9 points. St. Peter's Senior High School had 11 points. And Ofori Panin Senior High School had 18 points. Contestants, this is the second round. And in this round, we have the Thruster AI Speed Race. For the speed race, each question comes to all schools, and you may take turns at answering. As soon as you are ready with your answer, you ring the bell to alert me. Once you are given the opportunity, you have 3 seconds within which to start giving your answer. Starting with we have, and when you work out this, you are going to, it won't help you, because if the answer doesn't come immediately, this bell will go out on you. My bell, please. 3-second bell. Once you hear this bell, your answer has been considered wrongly given. You lose a point, because whenever you get an answer wrong, you lose a point in this round. So when you ring the bell, as you are going to take turns, if you are the first to answer correctly, you earn 3 points. When you are wrong, second school answers correctly for 2 points. When they don't get it, third school answers correctly for 1 point. I hope the rules are clear to you. Good. So we'll start our second round, and I wish all schools the best. Are we satisfied our bells are working? Good. The standard filament of a 3D printer, which has a circular cross-section of diameter 1.75 millimeters, is to be replaced with an experimental filament of square cross-section. What must the side of the square filament be if it is to have the same volume per unit length as the standard? It is 1.55 millimeters. Find the total mechanical energy of a 4.00 kilogram particle moving vertically upward at 8.00 meters per second when it is 5. Yes, St. Peter's.
328 joules.
Incorrect. Ofori Panin.
324 joules.
Correct. Find, please, I'm reading the next question. Find the impedance of an RC circuit with R equals 3 kilo ohms and C equals 4 milli. Yes, Winneba.
It is 5 kilo ohms.
Correct. Which part of the brain controls the... yes, Ofori Panin.
The medulla oblongata.
Correct. What is the main function of yes, Ofori Panin.
They act as an accessory flower which protects the bud of the flower. Thus, they protect the inner wall of the flower during bud stage.
No. Function of sepals of flowers. So, yeah, they just protect the flower bud. What got you wrong was that you stated that it was an accessory flower. It is not an accessory flower. In which specific organ does the process of oogenesis? Yes, Ofori Panin.
In the uterus.
Incorrect. Yes, Winneba.
Ovary.
Correct. Twenty-five point 0 cubic centimeters of 0.100 mole per decimeter cubed hydrochloric acid is mixed with 25.0 cubic centimeters of 0.0800 mole per decimeter cubed sodium hydroxide. Calculate the pH of the resulting mixture. Ofori Panin.
The pH is 1.00.
Incorrect. They rang just before you rang. So, St. Peter's, give me your answer.
5.25.
Incorrect. A wooden artifact shows 1/16 of the carbon-14 activity of living wood. If the half-life of carbon-14 is 5,730 years, how old? Yes, St. Peter's.
2.192 by 10 raised to an exponent of 4 years.
Incorrect. Whenever you rang.
2.29 by 10 raised to an exponent of 4 years.
No. That's incorrect. Did Ofori Panin ring? Ofori Panin, give me your answer, please.
2.292 by 10 raised to an exponent of 4 years.
I think I'll give it to Ofori Panin. How many unpaired electrons are present in Fe2+? Yes, St. Peter's.
4.
Correct. The point 25 is reflected in the line y equals x, and the image point is further reflected in the point. Yes, Ofori Panin.
-5, -2.
Incorrect. In the point 3, 2. Yes, St. Peter's.
1,2.
Correct. A function f such that n maps onto n is defined on the set n of natural numbers such that f of, so let me come again. A function f such that capital N maps onto capital N is defined on the set capital N of natural numbers such that f of the expression n plus m, that's small n plus m, equals the function of small n by the function, multiplying the function of small m. Given f of 2 equals 9, find f of 1. Yes, St. Peter's.
3.
Correct. Find the range of the function y equals 3 over the expression 2x plus 3. Yes, Winneba.
A set y such that y is a member of all real numbers where y is not equal to 3 over 2.
Incorrect. Ofori Panin.
Y is such that y is a member of all real numbers except.
Incorrect. Are you done? Okay, so incorrect. So is the set y such that y, yes, is a member of all real numbers, but y is not equal to 0. That's the end of the speed race.